In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get the cursed enchant in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Enchantments are buffs that are given to your weapons upon obtainment. They are going to be attached to your character and not any specific weapon, meaning that if you ever switch between weapons, the enchantment is going to transfer over. So in this video, I'm going to give you the instructions to get the cursed enchantment into your character. You will be able to see it here listed under your equipment. So, upon attacking with the cursed enchantment, you will have a chance to apply debuffs on the enemies. It also provides immunities to SAS ground anomalies. So, for the requirements, make sure that you are at least level 35 or more, and that you have completed the Cursed Corpse quest. By completing this quest and being level 35 or more, you will be able to get the enchantment. Now, do the battle with the Venom Shroom. First, you will have to go over to the Deep Root Canopy or any other location where you can find a Venom Shroom and initiate a battle with the enemy. Now, get hit by the Toxic Burst move while you have the Poison status effect. So, if you are poisoned and you get hit by Toxic Burst, you will receive the Cursed status effect. Now, all that you have to do is kill all the enemies in that encounter while you have the cursed status effect, and you will now be almost fully cursed and you can move on to the next step. So for the next step, go to the SAS grounds and die to SAS anomalies. Instead of dying, if you were almost fully cursed during the battle with the SAS anomalies, you will instead be fully healed upon dying and get the cursed enchantment. So all that you have to do is find a Venom Shroom, get hit by the Toxic Burst move while you are poisoned. This will take you into the cursed state. You can kill all the enemies, go to the SAS grounds, and die to the SAS anomalies while cursed. This will revive you and grant you the cursed enchantment. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Cursed Enchant Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.